That neck angle, yeah, your skeleton is not impressed. Every scroll, every slouch, it's keeping score. And right now, you're losing. You feel that? That's not guilt. That's your skeleton judging you. No words, just disappointment. This is you, bent like a question mark. And this is how you're supposed to be. One spine, two very different choices. Look familiar? Yeah, you've been sitting like this for hours. Even your skeleton's like, seriously? Lift your head. Roll your shoulders back. Your skeleton's been waiting for this moment all day. It's still watching, still judging, and it's wondering how much longer you're going to ignore it.